Guys, you won't find a nicer around than our 2014 Audi A4 with only 82,000 miles. Yes, you heard it correctly, 82,000 miles. 2.0 liter for phenomenal 34 miles per gallon. Brand new Michelin tires all the way around. You're gonna love it here. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Audi A6, this thing is leather loaded. It's got the sunroof on top, ibis white in color, tan leather interior. Look at this. And we've got it, Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the Trading Post. We have a program for everyone. You've got to check out my new website, brand new, tradingpostcars.com to apply. Put in your down payment information. We will go to work to get you approved. 2014, 82,000 mile, leather loaded. It's got touch to start. It's got the big screen with navigation, heated seats. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna love it here. Again, tradingpostcars.com to apply. 2014 Audi A6. Guys, this is a lot of car for the money. Just wanted to hop on here and give you a high definition video so you could just see how clean this Audi is. Tradingpostcars.com, 828-464-0600. This car's not gonna last for this price. You better call us today or hop online to apply. Here at the Trading Post, Conover store.